Okay, arrive over here. So you can just come here and then you have to pay 5 ringgits just to take care. Yeah, so-called parking fee lah. So right now we're going to head to the Sungai Pisang Trail. Jungle Village. Cross the river. So for entrance fee per person is 1 ringgit. So yeah, pass to someone. Pisang Fall. Okay, entrance here. So now we need to cross the river. So we need to find ways, try not to get flushed away.
哇，冷的！给你踩每一步都小心啊！
来。
哇，冷啊，冷啊，冷啊！我拉回他。哇，你等我！
太冷了，太冷了，太冷了。Oh, the river. First level, we have to cross river. Let's look. Yeah, I guess a lot of people start to come out. We're going up. Yeah! They just have a short trail to our end point, the Pisang Fall. So the road is not obvious, but still you can cross from here. So you have to go through this bush. The road is narrow. There are a lot of trees. Okay, just every journeys have to be careful. Another river. So you will see the sign. This is the road. Here. Okay, we're reaching to the famous tunnel. So we have to keep on take picture. So we are here. Entering the tunnel. Let's test the sound. Hello? Hello? La, 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 la. From the tunnel, we continue our journey. We're hoping our direction is to the waterfall. Above is Kara Highway. Look into the sign, there's a tag over there, and follow the route. And sometimes you don't know how deep it is, and can be reached over here. Really beautiful. You see there's a small road. Okay, sign. Small road. Go to here. Okay, walk across the road. Remember, look for the red tag, the signs over there. So there's a lot of rivers to cross. You can see the red sign. Either here or here. Follow here. We have to cross the tree trunk.叫他们走这边，因为洞秒大，它洞在小。啊，到我这里。
那个的洞比较小，那个的洞比较小，不可以。
It's crowded. It's very crowded, but the waterfall is just in front. Okay, so we just slowly go there. Yes, there's a lot of families, friends. Where is the waterfall? I enter the waterfall. Okay, so now I'm going back now. It's all waiting. I just eat chocolate. just be careful. It's just only one road, so we're just going back the same road. Going back home. So we're outside already, the entrance. Haven't yet. This is the last river we have to go through, then we're going back now. Few more steps. Yeah! Wow! Okay, that's all for today.